Hello everyone, today I will show you how to replace your Mercedes Benz key fob battery. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to press on this plastic tab to the left to release the emergency key. Once the emergency key is released, you're going to flip over the key fob and put the key in this spot and gently press down. Now you have released the plastic cover on the back where you will find a 2025 key fob battery. Once you replace that battery, you will take the plastic cover, put the bottom end first and gently press on it until it clicks. And now all you have to do is take the emergency key, put it back into the key fob, and you have just replaced your Mercedes Benz key fob battery. If this video was helpful, please leave a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips.